In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the number format in your Google Ads account. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, from the homepage of Google Ads, go to the left sidebar and look for Admin. Click on it. Then, click Preferences. Then, in Preferences, you'll find a Display Language and Number Format option. Click on it. Now, to change your number format, you'll have to choose your language first. As you can see, when I change the display language, the number format gets updated accordingly. But some languages lock their own number system and won't let you choose. For example, when I choose US, UK, or Australia, you can see it forces their own number system. Choose the format you prefer and click Save to apply the changes. Your Google Ads account will now display numbers in the selected format. And that's it. That's how you change the number format in your Google Ads account. Thanks for watching.